Hello, thank you for watching our videos. We appreciate it. We've had so many hits on our websites because we're actually here to help you, to kind of show you what we're doing. And today we're actually doing a water problem issue. So please visit. You can go to waterproblemdoctor.com. But today that's what we're doing, is solving the issue. We're actually going to cut the curb right here, and we're going to tie into this downspout over here. It runs downhill, and we're going to cut the curb and run the pipe out right here, and then we're going to do concrete back on top of that opening. So basically it's going to come right through here. We're going to cut the concrete right here, a straight line. Then we're going to come over about 10 inches and cut a straight line. But notice this is a trip hazard. Now, the homeowner, when he had this house built, he talked to the builder about running this up underneath the ground and doing it that way, but the builder just didn't do it. So now he's hired us. So basically this is a trip hazard when you walk around. So if I'm coming around this way and I hit it, I could fall and it could be a liability. So basically what we're going to do is take this off, and we're going to have to bring it this way. We're going to turn it and then run it that way. So over here we're going to run it straight down to that point. Over here we're going to do the same thing. We're taking this right here off. All this right here is going to come out because in this area right here has been holding water. Concrete should have just went all the way up here to the edge. So he told me he'd like to do some stone work in here on concrete. He's going to be here just a little bit here on the side. We brought the stones, but we've also brought concrete to go to the outside edge over this point. What we're going to do is we're going to cut the concrete. Straight line, and then we're going to dig and bury it. Cut the curb. We're going to run it straight to this point right here. We're going to divert the water right here. Come here, Scott, and look uphill. So as you can see, this right here runs uphill. So basically the water will be diverted to that point. That's what we're doing today. Just want to show you all the beginning stages of it. Thank you. Okay guys, check this out. We've already got the concrete cut at the curb. We still got jackhammered out. We're going to dig a trench. We're going to come up through here. I've already cut the concrete right here. We've already got the old downspout out of the way. We're going to connect to this new downspout right here. Bury the pipe underneath the concrete, go all the way downhill that way. Right now we're over here working on this area. We've already got this concrete cut. Notice how we're saving the grass. This ain't no easy digging here. It's hard digging. Summertime digging. This ain't nothing but sweat, tears, and got to get it. So we're going to tie into this drain I got over here. Notice how we protect the man's garage doors and all that. This crack was already here. We didn't crack that. That was already cracked. But I'm fixing to jackhammer that right there out. And then once we dig this and get it right, we'll connect to that drain right there, bare pipe, and go all the way over here. Now, in this area right here where he had, see those pieces down there? You see them down there, those big pieces? He had them sitting in here. He wants me to do some stone work in here and make it road downhill away from the house. So just want to show you what we're doing and what we're accomplishing today. So I'm fixing to jackhammer this out, and my son's just going to finish it. And so we're almost halfway. We're getting a lot done. We still got to dig this side right here. We about got that side dug. We still got a lot more digging on it though. So anyway, I just want to show what we're doing. Continue to watch this video. If you have a problem and you want to bury your drains and get them out of the way, because see, water was spilling over on top of this, and it will over a period of time mess up the concrete. But anyway, here we go. We're looking good. Just want to show you what we're doing. Thank you so much. William, say hello, buddy. Hey, William, say hey, everybody. Hey. Yeah, William, Scott. Yeah, these are the guys, when they show up, they know what they're doing. They're going to do you a fine job. Please go to repairsforyourhome.com. You can visit waterproblemdoctor.com, and you can see what we can do for you and help you. So, God bless you. We appreciate the job very, very much.
Okay, guys. Here we are with the next video. We want to show you our progress here. Now, as you knew before, we've cut this out right here. What we've done right here is we laid these stones in this low area that was holding water, as you remember on the previous video. And also what we've done here is we've buried our pipe. We've come in here, we've connected, and we screwed right into the what do you call this? The gutter drain right here. We connected right into it. You can see we ran underneath here. And as you can see, we've buried it back. You can hardly even tell it. Now down here, we still have to concrete it in. We're gonna do that very last thing. We're gonna concrete it in right there. You can see where it comes out at. Okay. Now, over here, I will show you what we've got going on. Now right here, we still got to bust this section off. Right here, we got to bust that off. But you can see we've got it dug basically all the way up through here. We're fixing to bury this one. We've got it buried and set in right here, and as you can see, we put 2 screws in this one. And as you can see, we've kind of come up. We 90'd it, 90'd it away, and then down into the ground she goes. Now that's a lot better. When they walk out of the house, there's nothing to trip on. Especially when you turn this corner, there's nothing here no more. It's a lot safer and better, and now the water's able to get out of here, which he is very happy, because that's what he really wanted. So now as you see everything, we'll show you a final video when we get done. We'll show you how it all looks and everything. We appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful day. Alright guys, here we are. Just going to kind of show you what we got here. I sure will, buddy. Just going to kind of show you our step that we built here for him. This is something extra that we did. We just built this right here because he was having an issue coming off through there. Anyways, we did that. He's got that dirt right there on this driveway because he's got a little oil spot on there. He's trying to draw the oil out of the driveway. As you can see here, what we got, we've kind of blended this on in together through there. That looks good and gravy. And as you notice, we dug it all the way down to here, where we come out the end right here. And now that water will come right on out, roll right into this gutter right here. And then we got this one we did. Okay, and it runs straight up through here like this to where we butted up right here. We made our lines. That looks real good. Now when that dries, of course it'll be blended in a lot better because it'll be a whole lot lighter right through there. And then we came up under here and came up through here and connected right into this thing. Got 2 screws in it, help hold it. Anyways, this is what we've done. We've diverted all this water and made this trip hazard that was here a whole lot better. The man, he's real happy, really pleased. We've been here basically all day putting in the work. Anyways, we appreciate you watching this video, and you just have a wonderful day.